Welcome to another video tutorial from Oklahoma City University's Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning. In this video, faculty will be shown how to edit a grade item in their course gradebook. You can see I have my course already open in my web browser within D2L. I'm going to navigate to the grades link in the course nav bar, and I'm going to click on it. By default, the Enter Grade screen is probably going to load, and I need to click on Manage Grades, this second tab right here. I'm going to go find an actual assignment that I want to edit. Let's say it's, for example, this one right here, the week 2 assignment. And I'm going to click the drop-down arrow next to the assignment title. And then I'm going to click Edit in the menu that opens. Here you can see some settings that we can change for the assignment. I'm going to primarily deal with the Properties tab, but you also have the option of setting restrictions or tying the assignment to certain course objectives if you have created course objectives within your course in D2L. Most of us don't utilize these features right now, so I'm going to focus on the Properties tab. Here, you can change the title of the assignment. You can assign it to a category if you are using categories to kind of group your assignments together. You can move it and select whatever category you want it to be placed in, or you can create a new category by clicking this new category link. You can also change the point value just by making changes here. If you want the students to be able to earn points beyond 150, so they can exceed that, you can check this box. If you want this item to be treated as a bonus item, you could do that as well and make that change in that edit right there. If you want to go ahead and exclude this grade item from the overall final grade calculation, say, for example, a practice assignment, you want them to see what they would potentially earn, but you don't want it to actually go into the final grade calculation, you could check that box, for example. If you needed to change which scheme this grade item is using, however, again, by default, pretty much all of us use percentage. And then you can make changes to how it's displayed to your students, such as displaying an overall average of everyone in the course, overall average for this grade item, how grades are being distributed for this item across all the students in the course, override individual student view options. You can also make the same override of display option for you as the instructor, the managing view. So what this means is, for example, you see here, it's grayed out, but you can see that points grade is checked, and so it's grade scheme color, but the grade scheme symbol is not. So what this means is it'll show a point value, and it'll fade that grade entry color. So, for example, 95 would be, for example, green. An 85 would be blue. 75 would be maybe yellow, so on and so forth. But I want to go ahead and assign letter values or a letter grade as well as point value as well. So I'm going to go ahead and click override display and then check this grade scheme symbol. Again, this is for my view as an instructor. If you want these options to show for your students, you would want to edit this right here, which again is grayed out unless you click override. Once you've made all your necessary changes, click the blue Save and Close button. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to override this template. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the Center for Excellence in Teaching and Learning.